Well, the man accused of the mass shooting in downtown Mobile on New Year's Eve will be held without bond. This is a breaking news story happening right now. A Mobile County judge keeping Thomas in jail under Aniah's law. Ariel Mallory is live at Government Plaza. Ariel, this was a very heated hearing.
Oh yeah, it definitely was, Shelby. We got the chance to hear the state's response and what they said happened that night, on the night of New Year's Eve. And Thomas's lawyer and the defense have two very differing opinions on what happened that night. Now let's take you to video of inside of the courtroom today. And we learned from testimony from a Mobile police detective that Thomas is accused of firing 16 shots into the crowd that night. That detective said that 22 shots total were fired that night from shell casings that they found. Now we learned that another man who was also in critical condition that Thomas is accused of firing at fired 6 rounds into the crowd. Now, of course, we did learn from that detective that that Mr. Thomas was involved in the shooting and killing of Mr. Jatarius Reeves, and we're also learning more details into the conversation between the two men. Now, the detective also testified that they believe there was a verbal altercation between Mr. Thomas and the deceased Mr. Reeves that prompted the shooting, but they didn't provide any detail as to what was said between the two men. Now, we're going to try to speak with his lawyer in a little bit to learn more information and find out more into what happened into that night, and we'll bring you that information tonight on Fox 10 News at 9. Right now, live at Government Plaza, Ariel Mallory, Fox 10 News.